Friends, now we are going to do the fifth exercise in our third lesson. So it is very easy. You have to construct your own sentences by using the given element, but you need to follow the example. So see the example here. Two things is given. So the question is only two. J subject is given and se ravaye, and the verb is given. It is a reflexive verb. It is a pronominal verb. Only two things is given. Subject pronoun re and verb, reflexive verb. It is in the infinitive form. It is ending in er, that is original form. So you have to make your own sentence. So you should not do in your own, but you have to use your own sentence. The sentence is not in the book. Using the same subject and the verb is in pluska perfect. But the title is not mentioned. But example it is mentioned, you have to use the sentence in pluska. Analyze the example. They are using first part is the written own sentence. While writing the own sentence, the first verb is in passé composé, that is past tense. And the second, using this and they are giving the second verb as it should be in pluska perfect, that is passé composé and pluska perfect. Quand mes amis sont sonnés, my friends are knocked the door, when my friends are knocked the door, je m'étais réveillé. I had woken up. Se réveiller is a reflexive verb, and you have to conjugate this verb in pluska perfect. Since it is a reflexive verb, so for je, me, être is the auxiliary verb, m'était, and être verb, you have to see the agreement also. So reflexive verb in pluska perfect. Since it is as a reflexive verb, after the subject je, we need to put the reflexive pronoun end in M apostrophe because the next word is starting in vowel. And perfect of être for je, être verb and perfect is E acute T A I S. And past participle of cut ER and add E acute. Être, it is a feminine, so I have to add one more E. My friends knocked the door. I had woken up. So this is the example. My sisters to get up. Sentence is given. My sisters to get up. But anyhow, you have to make a own sentence. But the given verb is you have to use properly and see the verb and add with that verb in pluska perfect. First part you have to make in your own. And my sir is my sister. So it is a subject of the second verb. What we can make first part of the sentence you have to make. Quand le réveil a sonné, my sir dash. Where se levé, another reflexive verb, so you have to put in pluska perfect. Since the reflexive verb is put it in the pluska perfect, we need to use am perfect of être. So my sister is something like in feminine. So the reflexive verb of ELLE is SE, say, S apostrophe, because am perfect of être will be E acute AIT. When the subject is ELLE, my sister, it is a feminine, singular, third person. So am perfect of être will be E acute TAIT. So the past participle cut ER and E acute. Être, you have to see the agreement. So my sister is something like a third person feminine singular. So compulsory we have to add E at the end. Finally you get the answer. Quand le réveil a sonné, my sir s'était levé. When the alarm rang, my sister got up. My sister had got up. Number 2. My mère préparait le petit déjeuner. My mother is preparing the breakfast. Quand je me suis habillée. When I dress myself, habillée, dressed up. My mère dashed le petit déjeuner. My mother had prepared. You have to fill the answer here. When I dressed up, my mother had prepared. The verb prepare should be in plus parfait with avoir as the auxiliary verb. Prepare is not found in the domestic parentites, so I have to use avoir. And past participle of prepare is cut er and e acute. Avoir as the auxiliary verb, and no need to do any agreement at the end of the word. Number 3. Je relis mon autre dialogue. I read my biology notes again. So subject and verb. Second part of the verb we have to use Pisca perfect. See the first part. When I had finished my homework, I had read my biology notes again. When I had finished my homework. Savait is the avoir auxiliary verb. Why we are using avoir? Because really is not found in the domestic parentites. So you have to use imperfect of avoir according to the subject AVAS. For lire, the irregular of past participle of lire, LERELU, relu. Avoir as the auxiliary verb, we know to use any agreement. When I had finished my work, I had read my biology notes again. Fourth one. Mes frères mettaient le livre dans leur catalogue, my brother, to keep their books inside their school bags. So, when the first part, you can make a sentence in your work. Quand la professeure a terminé le cours, my frère dash le livre dans la cartable. My brother had it. So, it is math is the verb. So, math, you have to write here in the dash near the school bags. Math is the verb which we need to put in presque parfait. And math verb is not in the domestic list. So imperfect of avoir. My brothers, it is a plural form. ILS. Imperfect of avoir is AVAIENT. And past math special things, that is MIS. So you must, when you are seeing, you must revise the verb math. Okay. So when you are revising again, then only it is easy. So the last sentence in this. Mon père ne pas parti pour le bureau. My dad not to leave for his office. So quand l'herbe song. When the rain without it. Mon père dash ne pas dash pour le bureau. My dad will not leave. Était. Partir should be in plusca parfait, but it is found in the diagnostic format. So you can use the imperfect of être. So in the subject is ILL. So you can use past participle of parti. I. Since we are using être as the supposed to do the agreement, since the subject is my father, it is a masculine singular, so no need to do any agreement. Quand tu n'as pu saison, mon père était, my dad had not left, put his in his office. So please go through this example. Afterwards, see the video properly, then only it is easy for you.